Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Advocate Nisi. He's been doing the most. He's been doing incredibly well on the Senzomiwa case. Yes, they are here and there where he's not going to be 100% perfect, but damn, he's fighting for his clients. That I can tell you for sure, that the man is fighting for his clients. So Advocate Nisi, what he did last week, he discredited two state witnesses in one day. Two state witnesses in one day. If that is what he can do, just a pair, with just a pair, imagine the mass casualties when the rest take the stand. At this rate, the trial might need damage control unit instead of prosecutors because, wow, Senzo case has really become something else out of the ordinary. Okay, because witness is doing double kills there. Two state witnesses down in one day. In the high stakes arena of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, where every word is a weapon and every witness is a battlefield. So today we witness a masterclass in legal demolition. Advocate Charles Nisi walked into court like a man on a mission, and by the time he walked out, the state was still trying to figure out what hit them, and he was done with them because it was in just one day. Nisi did the unthinkable. He discredited two state witnesses back to back, like a legal sharper who didn't even need to reload. First witness gone. Who's that witness? Gininda. He dealt with you, dude. He dealt with you. He dealt with Gininda, the IO, the brigadier. He dealt with him, guys. Oh, he dealt with him through this evidence that was being given by Ukwabini. Guys. He dealt with Gininda. I don't care who tells me what. Cracks exposed, credibility shaken like a loose filing cabinet in a hurricane. That is what he did with Ugininda Umnesi. He dealt with Ugininda. Gininda is exposed. He is shredded. Ugininda is more like a paper that was put next to a shredding machine. That what Umnesi did with him, with those two witnesses, Ugwabini, no Babuzu. That's what Umnesi did to him. Shredded the hell out of him. Whatever happens, happens. But the bottom line is that Umnisi dealt with Gininda. Oh, he dealt with him. His credibility is on the floor. His everything, Jay. The entire case is questionable. The entire investigation is questionable. In fact, he did not just deal with Gininda alone. He dealt with the entire cold case unity. It's on the floor. It's questionable. A lot will be asked. If there is an inquiry, there won't be that case, cold case unity anymore. All of them, they are going to be gone. All of them. That was Mrs. work. That's what he did. The second witness collapsed even faster, contradictions everywhere. The state scrambling for explanations that simply went there. The second witness that Mrs. dealt with, Constable Sizwe Sikumbuzo Zungu dealt with. Swear they dealt with you. With your lies, with your fabrication, with your cooking, with your whatever, everything is out in the open now. You are a disgrace to your family. I doubt both sides, mother's side, father's side. No one wants you now. You're gonna become a loner. You are embarrassment. It's a lot. Oh, it's a lot. They dealt with you too. They dealt with you. There's nothing that you can do to come back from this. At one point, you would almost hear the defense bench whisper, if this is what one advocate can do just one day, what happens when the rest of the witnesses line up? Because the defense witnesses are still not there yet. It is only I choose number one's witnesses. It's the second one now. It's the second one now. And imagine if the case is looking like this. Second witness for I choose number one. If it's like this, what's going to happen? What is going to happen? Because let's be honest, If the state case was a house, Nisi just removed 2 supporting pillars and the remaining structure is starting to wobble. There's nothing they can do. They can't stand on their own. They can't stand on their own. There's nothing. Uginindana has been dealt with. Whether we are Tanda or Rakatandi, where we are, he's been dealt with. And social media couldn't hold back. People are already saying the next set of state witness should no, the next set of defense witnesses should arrive with a helmet, a seatbelt, and may be a medical aid plan because the damage might be career threatening for the state case and the people that were involved in that one. They must just bring to show that what we are doing here, we don't play here. We aren't here to play. They must just bring a helmet. Put it like it must be seen that we are under construction. We are reconstructing everything that you people did. The defense witnesses must just come like that, as if they are busy in a construction site. That's how they must wear. Helmet, suit belts, siyajika manje. They must just jade because it's like we are on the dries of wherever. Those scary dries, we are up on the mountains of Lesotho. It's something like that, I can imagine. And the trial, already known for drama, suspense, and plot twist, has now entered a new phase. The Mnisi era. The Mnisi era. The Mnisi era, sana love. Yeah, a phase where every witness takes the stand knowing fully well, I am here to destroy this entire building. I am here to destroy this entire building. That is what the defense witnesses are doing. That is what they are doing. When they enter, they're like, Nessie, ask me anything. I'll do it for you. Mina, I'm not going to be part of the nonsense. That's what the defense witnesses are doing, guys. Gubi, and they don't care who got limalati. Walimala lapa uzlimalele, but bona they don't care. So 2 witnesses down in one day, and the defense isn't slowing down. If this pace continues, 2026 might arrive before the state recovers from all the cross-examination that has been done already of those 2 witnesses after defense that came. So we are looking forward to the next witness already. The way we look forward to witnesses, it's the way we look forward to, oh gosh. We look forward to it. The way we are so anticipating, it's the same way we're looking forward to Jesus Christ next coming. I'm telling you. Because okay, I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.